What is up guys, Max here, and today you want to achieve this really weird looking effect inside of Premiere Pro. It's like an OG gaming looking effect. Really simple and really easy to do. We have our original footage here in Premiere Pro. We've already done this little zoom animation type thing. It looks pretty cool, but we want to go to effects and then type Posterize. Posterize, that's the one. Drag Posterize onto your footage and it gives it this instant little effect. It's pretty simple. You can see if we change the level of it, it's pretty intense. That's like next to nothing, but it kind of gives it that old like gaming retro vibe. So it's a really simple effect that you can put onto your footage that'll give this nice effect. And if you want to see what this looks like with like an Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube Shorts overlay, let's put this right here, right click, fit to frame. We can see that this is what this looks like on Instagram. This is from our overlay pack. If you'd like a link to this pack, just comment pack down below. There's tons of different little packs and stuff for all kind of different situations. But for this case, we're using the social overlays just to see what our video looks like. But yeah, that's the Posterize effect inside of Premiere Pro. Super simple. If you didn't already know about it, now you do. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.
And right before we finish up, I'll plug it one more time. Feel free to check out filmit.io. It is a resource for creatives made by creatives, aka me and a small team of developers.